Okay, this is number 1 of 5 technology assignment. The first one that I decided to pick is Brain Pop Junior. And Brain Pop Junior is an educational website that has a lot of learning activities, videos, and games for students K through third grade. I researched and I went through it, and you do have to pay, but there's free stuff that you can use in the classroom. And I was looking at, for example, emotions is something that I use a lot in the classroom. They have charts, they have stories, they have history, they have science, they have technology. And something that I find very interesting about it is that this educational website is perfect for teachers because you can align it to the lesson, to your lesson plan and to the state standards. As you already know, I live in New Jersey, so I was checking because my son, my little one has access to Brain Pop, so I was checking through his account, and I see that teachers relate a lot on this website. I hope you guys like this website, and I see that it has, if you can check, it would be perfect for my kids, for my pre-K kids. It has quiz on colors, it has a drawing, you can write, it has coding activities. I think this website will be a great addition for any school. So I hope you guys like it. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this website. It's my first time, but I do like it and I'm planning to use it. And after I think they have a 10-day free plan. After I use it for 10 days, I'm gonna see if my principal wants to spend money on it. But if not, it has, as I already say, it has a lot of free activities that you can do without having your district paying for it.